Hey, what's going on guys, Zakir here, back with another video. And for a while now, crypto markets have been at the very bottom. Whatever cryptocurrency I mentioned about, be it Bitcoin, Ripple, Cardano, Dogecoin, or anything else, all of them have been at the very bottom that we have seen for a while. Now, I don't mean bottom price-wise, but I mean bottom move-wise. Now, let me explain. All these cryptocurrencies have been like this for a while now, but for the past few days and for the past few weeks, I'm gonna say, we have seen some substantial change in the crypto market. Today in this video, I'll be talking about, is the crypto market traveling to the moon? And I'll also tell you about what are the best investments that you can do right now. So without any further ado, I would like to get in the video, but before we do that, please make sure to smash the like button, also subscribe. Because smashing the like button really helps out the YouTube algorithm, and subscribing really helps you out to not miss out on any amazing contents that I release every week. So now that I have asked you to like and subscribe, I think we can get started. The crypto market has dipped to extreme lows, and the moves were such that millions of people sold their portfolio and got out of the market. Now, the reason for that is actually sensible if you think about it in a general point of view, but if you think about it in an investing point of view, it really did not make sense. A lot of people getting out of the market actually gave the financial institutions and other like big monetary institutions to move the price even higher. Now, what ended up happening though is, and that is totally what I think, is that the recent move that we're seeing right now is actually because of the massive institutional price push that we will be seeing in the next few weeks, in the next few months. In the past few months, Cardano has dropped from over $2 a coin to almost $1 or $1.10. Now, why that ended up happening is something that I'm not going to describe in this video. If you do want me to bring out a complete analysis of specific coins, you can leave a comment down below and try my best to make that video. But what we're trying to talk about here is that right now the Cardano is hovering at around I'm going to give you the exact figure, and that is why I have so Cardano at this moment is actually hovering around $2.50. I don't know if it's visible here. I think it is. Okay, so Cardano right now is actually hovering at around $2.50. And also I'm recording the audio in my phone. So if me bringing the phone there really did cause any sound issues, I'm sorry about that. But anyways, Cardano is hovering around $2.50, and it has just made another new higher high. Now, what I'm trying to talk about here is that Cardano creating a new higher high gives us an opportunity to see the price drop back again, so that we can enter in a price level which is much more efficient compared to what it is right now. I would not suggest you to go and buy Cardano right at this point, because it's extremely dangerous and at the same time a stupid decision to make, to go on and purchase Cardano at all-time highs. Now, please do keep in mind that this is not financial advice, and I'm only doing this from the knowledge that I have and the experience that I've gained and that I'm learning every single day. So if you do take any type of tips from here, please make sure you do so at your own risk. Now, what is the next stop for Cardano? Now, I see Cardano dropping down at around $1.50 or a little lower, and probably $1.40, $1.35 before it goes back up again. Now, that is my analysis only, so I really don't know if price is going to drop there, but what I can tell you though is that I do see Cardano touching $2.80 or $3 in the next few days, and that might end up happening in a week or probably might take a month. Now, keep in mind that this analysis that I just shared with you is really not meant to work 100%. So keep your risks calculated and take proper risk and use risk management. Yeah, and also, if you guys want to know what risk management is and how to risk manage your portfolio, please comment down below. I'll make a video on that too. Moving on to Doge though, with Doge we have a similar pattern as well. The Doge coin right now is actually hovering at around 30 cents. Right at this point, it is hovering around 30.2. So that's actually 30 cents. So what I do see happening with Doge is that Doge will at least touch 0.75 cents per, So what I see with Doge is that it will be touching 75 cents per token in probably a week or two. I'm really not going to give a time frame, guys, because I don't know what happens in the market. No one knows what happens in the market, but that is what my projection is. I have my money in Doge, and my target is to hit at least 80 cents a coin or 80 cents a token. So that is when I'm going to take out a big portion of my holdings and let the rest run for another few months or years probably. So what you do have to keep in mind that if you're investing in Doge, only put money that you were supposed to spend on something, any sort of luxuries like a sneaker or a watch or any type of clothing. Putting your money in Doge, anything that you need in the upcoming few months, actually putting your money in any of these cryptocurrencies really won't make sense. So keep that in mind. Finally, the last coin that we'll be talking about that might travel to the moon is actually Ripple. Now, Ripple has huge potential. Ripple, as of right now, is actually hovering at around $1.20 as of today. And I see Ripple touching at least $2.50 or $2.20 per token. Now that might happen or that might not happen. Like I said, we don't know, but that is my projection only, and that is where I see price going before we can actually have anything else happen. Now this video was actually pretty vague, guys, and the reason for that is because I really did not go into breaking down the analysis that much. I hope the analysis that I have attached with the videos were helpful. These were like extremely simple and only levels where I'm purchasing and where I see my take profit to be. Also keep in mind, guys, that this is not a financial advice. I'm repeating this constantly because I really don't want you guys to take advice from my videos and end up losing money. That is completely not the goal of the channel. I'm just sharing what I know, and I'm just sharing what I think might be helpful to you. So if you do want to take advice from this video, do so at your own risk. And to be honest, I put my money in all these cryptocurrencies that I invest in. So the cryptocurrencies that I put my money in very frequently is Dogecoin, Ethereum. I don't do Bitcoin, but I do Ripple and Cardano. So these are four cryptocurrencies that I put my money in. I bought Ethereum at $1,800 when it dipped down. So these are things that I'm going to make videos about, but you have to keep in mind, guys, that I am not a financial advisor. So please don't take advice from the videos without knowing that it is at your own risk. Anyways, guys, I'm sorry for keeping this video super vague, but I hope that this video was helpful. And the question of is crypto market going to the moon, that I think it is. I really do. And in the upcoming few months, we're probably going to see some massive moves happening. What I will say is buckle up. Don't get greedy. Don't let fear of missing out come in between and mess your portfolio up. Only invest in things that you understand, and only invest when you understand why you're investing at that exact level. Have your own analysis. Don't rely on anyone on YouTube or any guru that tells you to put money in here or put money in there. It really does not matter. At the end of the day, your own analysis is what counts the most, and your own analysis is actually valued the most. And that is why I think that anyone who puts money in with their own analysis actually will be able to at least know that it was their own decision and not blame someone else. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and also subscribe for more contents coming out in the next few weeks. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care, guys. Goodbye. Peace. And happy investing.